Welcome back to the garage, guys. Tony's here.
Hey guys.
Tony's actually really happy today because we have the motor for the go-kart. And we're going to give you a quick second here, see if y'all can guess it down below. And after you go and guess it down below and everything,
Then you'll win $1 million.
And hit that subscribe button too if you don't mind. But Tony,
hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see some cool stuff like what we're about to be doing. I mean, not like we haven't been doing cool stuff, but yeah.
All right, so Tony, why did we get the motor that we did for this go-kart?
So it'll go fast.
What all are we going to be doing with this go-kart?
We're gonna future upcoming plans. On a serious note, we want to find a strip locally to run this on. That being said, you guys already know we don't roll average or boring. We're not putting no lawnmower racing go-kart motor on here. So we want to bring it to the strip. We want to put some,
cool stuff. So we're putting this block on there.
we want to put some guys to shame. We want to get this on the drift pad. We really want to do some insane stuff.
So there's a lot of routes that we could take because we want to drift this kart. We want to take it to tracks. We want to drag race it. We want to do everything and just make people go, why are you doing that?
Just so you guys know, can't run them on Worldwide Technologies Raceway, so it's kind of a downer.
Yeah,
we'll see.
So
maybe we can
pull some strings if we can convince them enough and annoy them enough. But it is gonna be a little cool motor. So Tony, you ready for the big reveal?
Yeah.
But so he's over there.
Wait. Big reveal.
Big reveal.
All right. Wait. I'm the big reveal. We're gonna make me push Duncan down the track.
Yeah. But it's this. Alright, I can't talk on this because Tony is the sports bike motor guy, knows more about them. So he's gonna give you a little rundown on this and how it's gonna work in this. So
yeah, so basically, we're gonna need a lot of duct tape, that's for sure. Some zip ties. That's how we're gonna get it to work in this. Just kidding, guys. So what we got here is a 2008 GSXR 600 sport bike motor.
And there's all the extra stuff.
Yeah, there's actually a guy on base that hooked us up with it, which was pretty sweet. We didn't have to travel very far. Shout out to him. Good deal on this stuff. Really good deal. You guys might be blown. This is like I said, 2008 GSX.
But we literally have everything.
Yeah,
that Tony said that's basically the alternator, throttle body, injectors, wiring harness, airbox, the chain. But that chain's not gonna work on that because
the chain's gonna work on it.
Well,
we have to change out the sprocket.
Yeah, we got.
You definitely need that chain.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to change out the sprocket on there, but we might have to upgrade these hubs a little bit just to hold it all. But these are pretty good hubs. Free lines
are good.
Free lines anyway. We already told you we need to do all the front suspension stuff, get tie rods to go in there. We'll probably just make our own connectors to go to the spindles.
Yeah, so if anyone wants to donate some spindles, some go-kart tires and wheels.
Yeah, some plastics. But we have pretty big plans with this thing.
Yeah, so basically what we want to try to get away with is a lot of people extend the frame, they slap them on the very rear. It looks completely goofy. We kind of like the idea of getting a big old freaking nose, a big old wing.
Yeah,
sending this motor to the side, so extending
right there,
extending this side out, extending this side out so they're even. Because you see a lot of them where they're like super extended on this side, the motor slapped right there. We want to extend both sides out even. Do a whole radiator cooling system on this side. Also, kind of better weight distribution. Kind of bring the driver's seat a little bit over too. Get the longer spindle arms. Kind of widen this whole cart out. Really make it, I don't even know.
It gives it the look that I love in vehicles, and like, come on, like, be serious. Like, a go-kart, everybody in their right mind remembers driving go-karts when they're a kid, whether it was at like their local amusement park or whatever.
Someone's birthday, always someone's birthday.
Wait a minute,
I always want to. Oh, and that's my birthday.
Yeah, but I would say this is a pretty good combination for Tony's birthday.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty wild.
You
guys.
can't ask for anything more, could you?
You know what? I could.
Don't say that because your wife's gonna get mad too.
This thing's gonna be wild, guys. Like this motor itself. I mean, it may not sound like a lot, but it produces 109 horsepower at 13,500 RPM. If you guys don't know much about sport bike motors, they're high revving, and they're all governed at 180 miles per hour in the United States. I've ridden pretty much all my life. It may not sound like a lot of horsepower, but it's
like
it's gonna
there's
be
a
dangerous.
lot of different like drag racing calculators and stuff that you can use, and right now we did some rough calculations, and with us in the cart with the motor, frame and everything, we're guesstimating it's going to be like around 400 pounds, and then we'll probably have some loss of power from the flywheel to the motor, so about 100 horsepower. But still, with 400 pounds and 100 horsepower, that's still calculating a 9.2 in the quarter. So this thing will rip.
Then we might even boost it. Who knows, guys?
We just kind of really want to do some dumb stuff with this. Cause
honestly, like it's just really meant to kind of, a little bit of a break away from what we're doing. Because in the past videos, as you guys see, this is about to get tuned. And the only thing that really needs to be done is buttoned up and a drive shaft put in. But it's about to get finished. We want to kind of do something to kind of
have fun, really.
Yeah.
Because with this quarantine being locked down, like everybody's had time to work on their projects, get out on the streets, do some like I'm not gonna say virtual car shows. It's like the driving car shows, which is about as good as you can get in these times. But once this quarantine's lifted and all these tracks open up, the streets open up, these drift pads open up, all of us are ready to have fun. So we want to be able to bring stuff to have fun.
Yeah.
But I'm just excited to get this into that.
It's gonna be wild, guys.
So we're not totally taking time away from the 280 or the Trailblazer, because the Trailblazer still is a daily. We're gonna work on that this week, probably bring you a video sometime soon. A C5, I got the right injector spacers, so put the stock injectors back on because the injectors I have were too big. But it is what it is, and we're just ready to drive, have fun, do stuff, because everybody's been locked up. Thanks for everybody that's been staying home, keeping everybody safe. All the nurses out there working, all the fast food workers. Shout out to Chick-fil-A and Taco Bell.
All those essential workers out there.
Yeah, because I don't know how I would get by in this time without DoorDash. You feel?
For sure.
But
yeah, guys, what was I about to say?
we're about to bring you a lot of awesome content on this. We already said we're going to try to find a track that
we can load this up in the Blazer, race both of them in the same night.
We're not doing that because no. But we're trying to find somewhere, because we've already found a track that we can rent where we can take this
go-kart track, which is a pretty dope track over at Gateway Autoplex or whatever it's called.